Welcome to Best Car Fixes. We have a car here and we need to add a key. This key there is working. The problem is that when they change the engine computer, they forget to ask the customer if you have another key. So you know, when you program any key that you have it while you do the programming, they must be there. If it's not, it will not start the car. So right now we are trying to reprogram the other key. The remote is working, we have no problem, but we have to start all over. You know, Nissan, when you try, Nissan doesn't have add key option. Honda have add key option. So I'm gonna go to immobilizer and I will say accept. Then I will go by VIN to get the correct car. Pathfinder, Xettra, Nissan, they're all the same when you come to programming the key. See, hazard light on, open the driver door and close one time. This is in case to prevent the body control module, the BCM, from sleeping. So now we're gonna read the car information, communicate with it, and then from there we will go to programming. So we're gonna program the first key and then we're gonna program the second key. Having a spare key is a peace of mind. %73%. Okay, now I will go to IMO. This one also, it will tell us how many key in the memory, and I'm sure it's going to be only one key. Also here in the body control module there is some codes. I'm going to turn the ignition off and I will erase all the codes, so everything have to be green. Now everything green. Now I will say add a key or all key loss. It will the same procedure. Ignition is on. I will start. They're gonna have 5-time ignition will blink. Insert the first key. Now success. What you need to do is it will tell you turn the ignition off. I turn the ignition off. Say okay. Now turn the ignition on. You're gonna see a light blink here 5 times. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the right side. So I'm gonna say okay. He asked me success. Do you wanna program another one? I will say yes. So now I'm gonna take this car out, take this key out, and then wait 5 seconds. Now put the second key. See, insert the second blade. This is the second blade, and also look at the data there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then now we say okay. Program success. Do you have another one? I will say no. Turn the ignition off. Wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even say take the key out. Now insert the first one to close the programming. I'm gonna put this one here. Turn the key on. It will not be any blinking because programming is done. I will say okay. Turn the ignition off. Wait 5 seconds. Take the key out. You say learning complete. By this time, everything is done. So this key will start the car. You see it? I will take it out. I will give it to the customer. I will take the second one. I put it in. Start the car. Now I have 2 working keys, which means peace of mind. Please subscribe, share and like, and thank you for your support. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.